Fresh snow is the whitest thing on the planet. Why then do your pictures of snowy scenes come out gray or blue? It's because your camera does not see the snow for what it really is. Here's what I mean. When your camera's light meter calculates exposures by trying to read all the tones and colors, let's get to the good stuff. I gotta get suited up if I'm gonna talk about snow, because it's cold out there. Oh, that's better. There we go. Okay, here's some suggestions. A snowscape can look spectacular when you're there at the scene. However, the pictures can be really bland. Let's find some contrast that will break up all that white. Trees, rocks, a person wearing a red jacket. How about Bigfoot? Something in that scene will help. Your autofocus may have trouble focusing on that snow scene, so focus on that thing with contrast or focus manually. Shoot in RAW. This is super important. The hardest thing about snow photography are getting the whites balanced and exposed right. Shooting in RAW allows you to make adjustments later. Super easy. Experiment with the white balance. Start by setting it to flash. See how that looks. If you have to set it to auto or daylight, your snow scene may look a little blue. If you have to use it to set it to shade, it may make it look a little yellow. And oh my God, we don't want yellow snow. Your camera will tend to underexpose your snow pictures because it doesn't expect all that white. Here's what you can do. Bump up your exposure compensation dial to +1. If it's too shady, try +2. Protect your lens and keep your lens cap on whenever you're not shooting. Use a UV filter and a lens hood. Use a microfiber cloth to clean off the lens for condensation and water drops. And remember, cold temperatures drain batteries very quickly. Bring an extra battery and keep them in your pants pocket to keep them warm, or under your arm. That's where I keep mine. We recommend using a neutral density filter for photographing snow, especially on a bright sunny day. They can make all the difference between great pictures and bad pictures. Do you want to learn more about snow photography and learn more about density filters? Come into Horn Photo and talk to our experts. They'd love to see you and talk to you.
Got the picture?